Special loads in SAPFIR 2022. With the dialog Special Loads, user can create special parametric loads. This tool allows the user to model the pressure of liquids and gases on the walls, other loads distributed over the area of shell elements, or through the length of the bar. Special loads can be used when the functionality of standard loads in SAPFIR is not enough. For example, when user wants to export loads on the surface as uniformly distributed loads, this tool will be helpful, because the standard loads on the surface are exporting as surface load. It means the load will be applied as set of concentrated loads on shell elements. Let's look how it works. Click the button Analytical Model, select the roof, click on the roof with the right mouse button, User Coordinate System on Object, click Create Ribbon tab, and click Special Load. Define the name, Projective. This name will appear in the structure tree. User can change color of the load. Define surface load value 0.5. Direction along Z-axis. Projective yes. Let's leave by default parameters apply to selected and visual scale. Click Create and click OK. We can edit our special load. Let's select it by clicking on the load, or user can select it in the structure tree. And define visual scale 1. Select new load case and click Filter by load cases. And for another side of the roof, we will apply non-projective load. Select the roof, right mouse click on the roof, User Coordinate System on Object, click Create Ribbon tab and click Special Load. Name non-projective. Change the color. Surface load 0.6. Projective no. And visual scale 1. And set User Coordinate System to origin. Let's apply special load to bars. Select some of them. On the Create Ribbon tab, click Special Load. Change the color. Load per meter 1. Direction along y-axis and visual scale 1. Direction along y-axis and visual scale 1. Click Create. If user needs to exclude applying special load on some elements, then select them. Go to Create Ribbon tab and in Special Loads drop-down list, click Cancel Special Loads. And now let's apply created special load to elements. Select elements where a load need be applied. In structure tree, right mouse click on Special Load and click Select. Go to Create Ribbon tab and in Special Loads drop-down list, click Apply Special Loads. And the load is applied. Let's create special load for tank. Select the slab and click Special Loads. Define the name on slab. Change the color. Surface load 2. apply to selected years, visual scale 1, and create. The load is applied. Now let's create load on walls. Select them. On the Create ribbon tab, click Special Load. Name on walls. Change the color. Along normal to surface, yes. Surface load 3. User can define density of liquid and the program will calculate the load automatically. Visual scale 1. And create. The load is applied from the outside. If user want to change it and apply from the inside, we can select the load and change the parameter apply to backside yes. Then the load's direction will be changed. Let's create a meshed model and open it in lira-sapr. Click New Meshed Model and click OK. Go to Analytics ribbon tab and click Open with SAPFIR. Select our special load. Our load has number 3, because SAPFIR deletes empty load cases. That's why number has changed. Find and click Flags of Drawings. Click the third icon and click Show Load Values. And click the checkbox Redraw Automatically. Let me remind that loads are transferred with multiplying coefficient. We can see projective and non-projective loads on the roof. Also, we can see load values using command mosaic plot for loads. We can show this mosaic for different directions as well. Thank you for your attention.